The world's largest economy, the United States, is increasingly weighed down by debt. Interest costs are rising, and so are economic risks. According to recent data, the U.S. national debt has now exceeded 100% of the country's gross domestic product, GDP, signaling a move toward a post-World War II record. As of March 31st this year, the total debt stood at approximately $31.265 trillion, while GDP was around $31.216 trillion. This puts the debt-to-GDP ratio at about 100.2%. Currently, the U.S. government is spending far more than it earns. For every $1 of revenue, it is spending about $1.33. As a result, the budget deficit continues to grow, and so does the debt needed to finance it. A significant portion of federal spending is now going toward interest payments alone. Roughly $1 out of every $7 in federal expenditure is spent on servicing debt. Experts warn that even a slight increase in interest rates could add hundreds of billions of dollars in additional costs over the next decade. However, the United States still holds a major advantage. The U.S. dollar serves as the world's primary reserve currency, and U.S. Treasury bonds are widely considered safe investments. But economists caution that this advantage is not unlimited. In the long run, high debt levels could push interest rates higher, affecting everyday people, leading to increased costs for mortgages, auto loans, and credit card debt. Rising debt may also intensify inflationary pressures, as it can create pressure on the central bank to keep interest rates low. According to experts, this is no longer a temporary issue. It has become a structural problem. There are concerns that the debt-to-GDP ratio will continue to rise in the coming years. Projections from the Congressional Budget Office suggest it could reach 120% by 2036 and climb to 175% by 2056. Addressing this situation will require difficult decisions, either cutting spending or raising taxes. But given political realities, such decisions are not easy to implement. Experts say the biggest concern is not just the economy, but political gridlock.